Memories, the one thing that can never be taken away from us. Make lots of them. Hi, this is Tita Esther. Today I will share with you my holiday trip in Turkey, Antalya. Here we are at the hotel lobby waiting for the bus to pick us up to our package tour to Antalya. The package tour includes a bus tour to Kursunlu-Water Falls, to an exclusive diamond and leather manufacturer, lunch in a traditional Turkish restaurant, shopping in Antalya's oldest market, and a boat trip. In the bus ride, we enjoyed the beautiful buildings and the countryside. Oh, I think we are close to the airport, otherwise this plane is flying too low. After an hour drive, we arrived safe at Kursunlu-Water Falls. They offered rides either with a donkey, a horse, or even a camel. After the bus ride, it's understandable that we preferred to walk. It took us not even 10 minutes to the famous Kursunlu-Water Falls. The Kursunlu-Water Falls, with their ice blue water in the middle of a nature reserve near Antalya, are an insider tip for the relaxing day trip. The waterfalls, surrounded by lianas and old trees, can be reached on a footpath through the surrounding pine forest. Breathe in the fresh natural air and keep an eye out for wildlife. When you are in Antalya, you should not miss going to the waterfalls for a picnic as many locals do. You will not regret it because you will feel refreshed and your skin will look so soft and you will look beautiful. While taking a last glance of the beauty of the place, I took the chance to promote my Sampaguita perfumes as there are many similarities between the Sampaguita and the freshness and beauty of the waterfalls. It's the perfect background, don't you think so? Sad to say, it's time to leave for the next destination, to an exclusive jewelry and leather manufacturer. We had a nice and interesting tour through the shop, the tour guide explaining and showing how they create the many designs of the luxury jewelries, and some who had enough budget in their wallet treated themselves with a diamond ring. Off we went to Denver Leather. The smell of glamour and exclusiveness of the genuine leather lingers in every corner of the shop. This blue leather and fur jacket, which you can use both sides, was made for me, the saleswoman said. A pity it was 34 degrees centigrade outside. Shopping makes hungry, so the bus took us to the old city where we will have our lunch. This is our friendly tourist guide and interpreter. These cherries look sweet and yummy. Walking to the restaurant and listening to the muezzin. He calls the Muslim community to pray in the mosque 5 times a day at certain times. Only the call in the morning is at an indefinite time, namely when the sun rises. The Islamic call to prayer, adhan, sounds in Arabic. This is the shop I will go later. Arriving close to the restaurant, we got a short briefing from our tourist guide. That after lunch, we have 3 hours for our own personal time for shopping, before we meet again at the harbor for the scheduled boat ride. The typical dürüm kebab was good, but the excitement of going shopping is more seductive. So everybody, especially the women, including me, was hurrying up to finish lunch. It's shopping time! Let's go! Shoes, bag, clothes, everything what women want. It's really like a land of milk and honey. It's so cheap, super mura talaga. I wanted to buy gifts for everybody, but I'm worried about my excess luggage, which I was already at the limit. Look at this! These bags, I could buy all of them. Wow, time was running so fast. We have to go now to the boat. After the 3-hour shopping marathon, the boat ride was a welcome breather to get some rest and fresh air.
Hi, this is Tita Esther. I'm right now here in Antalya. Boat ride with the Essence crew. Join us!
The cooling sea breeze spoiled us to the fullest. The boat ride along the coast of Antalya showed us many amazing impressions. Like this waterfall, no one expects a waterfall falls into the sea. The captain gave us a little history about Antalya. This is what he shared with us. According to ancient tradition, Antalya was founded in 159 or 158 before Christ. Founded by King Attalos II of Pergamon, it was named Atalia after him. Today, the area surrounding Antalya is called the Turkish Riviera because of the long sandy beaches. Antalya's old town is mostly located above a steep coast. The major seaport in the south of the city borders on Konyaaltı Beach. We really enjoyed the interesting and informative stories of the captain. Time was really running fast today. Before going back to the hotel, we did a last-minute shopping for souvenirs. While we are waiting for the bus, we still have time to take a last look and make selfies and many pictures of the old and historical city of Antalya. This is actually the place where Antalya was founded. At this point, I have to admit, Antalya is really worth a visit. Even Jennifer Lopez is coming here to give a concert. Back in the hotel, refreshed and changed, went to the lobby to enjoy the live piano music. I requested one of my favorite pieces, The Entertainer. Listen and enjoy. I just love it.
Super!
He's really good, don't you think so? Sana nagustuhan rin po ninyo. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you will not miss my next video.